Welcome dear. Now third part of Pythagoras theorem. Welcome back. See question number 16b, it is given ABC is the right triangle triangle at C. D is midpoint of BC. To prove AB equal to 4AD square minus 3A square. 3AC square. So first of all I have to take what? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, here it is what? AB square equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, because 90 degree this is your hypotenuse, so AB square equal to what? BC square plus AC square, or we can write what? BC square equal to we can write AB square minus AC square. Let it be equation number 1. Now this triangle, I am going to compare this triangle. In triangle ADC, here AD square equal to what? AC square plus CD square. See here, because we have to find out this part, so I can write CD equal to what?
CD equal to
CD
half
equal
of
to
BC square.
BC square. So CD equal to what? Half of BC. So therefore I can write what? AC square plus, this is D is the midpoint, so AC square by equal to BC by 2 whole square, because what? D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore this implies that AD square equal to AC square plus BC square by 4. Now see, take LCM, so it will be what? 4 AD square equal to 4 AC square plus BC square. I can write. Now I'm leaving this part here up to now. 4 AD square equal to 4 AC square plus BC square. Now here BC is equal to what? Instead of BC I can write 4 AD square equal to 4 AC square. Instead of BC I can write what? AB square minus AC square. AB square minus AC square. Now this implies that 4 AD square equal to 4 AC minus AC square equal to what? 3 AC square plus AB square. Now AB square equal to what? This 3AC square you take this side is 4 AD square minus 3 AC square. This is your required equation. Yes, it is given. Question number 20. AD is perpendicular line BC of an equilateral triangle ABC. Prove that 4AD square equal to 3AB square. Now it is equilateral triangle. Therefore AB equal to BC equal to AC. Sides are same because equilateral triangle. This is given. Okay. Now this is 90 degree. So in triangle ABD, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. Write down. Now D is the midpoint. Therefore AB square equal to, instead of BD I can write what? BC by 2 whole square plus AD square, because what? D is midpoint of BC. Therefore, AB square equal to BC square by 4 plus AD square. Now this is what? AB square, 4AB square, because by cross multiplication, and here I am taking LCM, so BC square equal to 4AD square. I can write 4AB square, take BC square this side, minus BC square, this is what? 4AD square. So instead of BC I can write AB, because this is equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle, AB equal to BC equal to AC. So 4AB square minus what? AB square equal to 4AD square, since what? BC equal to AB. Therefore I can write what? 3, this implies that 3AB square equal to 4AD square. 4AD square. This is your required proof. It is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB equal to AC, D is a point on BC produced. Now AP perpendicular I can draw because this is isosceles triangle. AP perpendicular to BC, therefore BC equal to what? Half of BC. To prove AD
square
equal to AC square plus BD into CD. Now in triangle APD, this is your right triangle, so it will be your hypotenuse. So AD square equal to AP square plus PD square. Now AP square plus PD square, I can write that AP square equal to PD. PD I can write, what I can write? PD equal to PC plus CD whole square. Now this implies that AD square equal to AP square, and this is I can write PC square plus CD square plus 2PC into CD. Now PC equal to what? Half of BC. This part I can write. This implies that AD square equal to AP square plus PC square plus CD square plus 2PC. Instead of PC I can write BC by 2 into CD. Now this is 2 cancel. Let it be equation number 1, and this part I can write since PC equal to half of BC. Now in triangle APC, it is given that AC square equal to AP square plus PC square. Let it be equation number 2. Now once again I am going to discuss triangle APD. So now once again I am going to discuss this part. I am going to discuss this part. See, AD square equal to AP square plus PC square. I can write AC square, so I am writing AC square. Okay, plus CD square plus BC into CD. This implies that AD square equal to AC square plus here I can take common CD. So I'm taking common CD. If I'm taking common CD, it will be CD plus BC. Now see, CD plus BC, so this implies that AD square equal to AC square plus CD plus BC equal to what? BD. So I can write into BD. So this is our required proof. I hope you understand this one. We have done maximum sum. Thank you. Have a nice day. And you have to subscribe my channel. Press like button and share and subscribe also. Thank you. Have a nice day.